Here's everything you need to know about eToro's Stocks and Shares ISA, powered by Moneyfarm. A Stocks and Shares ISA lets you invest in over 1,000 assets, including UK and global stocks, ETFs, bonds, and mutual funds, while keeping your profits and dividends completely tax-free. It can be a smart way to build potential long-term wealth through investing. On eToro, you can open a Stocks and Shares ISA or transfer one and manage your entire portfolio, all in one app that makes investing straightforward, social, and transparent. Already have an ISA elsewhere? You can transfer your existing Stocks and Shares ISA from another provider to eToro in just a few taps. Open the eToro app, go to the eToro ISA section, tap the three dots on the top right-hand side, and choose Transfer an ISA. Complete the on-screen steps, and Moneyfarm will handle the transfer process for you from start to finish. Ready to make your ISA work harder? Learn more and open your eToro ISA today.